Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. Here's a quick tutorial for you for the 2024 GMC Yukon. If you have a Yukon and you say to yourself, I don't like the way that my instrument cluster looks, what are my options? Well, here we go right here. We're going to use this arrow. We're going to arrow over to display layout. You can see your options right here. And there's a couple of things you can do. First of all, if we wanted to go with progressive, we could do that. And here is how that's going to look. You can also go back to classic if you want to. And I'm not going to show you everything here, but just so you can see what's here. But that's not all you can do. If you want to make changes to the left side, you can do that. And you can determine what's going to be over there, as you can see. And all I'm doing is arrowing over with the left arrow and then using the scroll wheel right here. And if I want to select something, for example, say I want to go and change the right side, I'm just going to scroll over and then push that scroll wheel right there, and then I can determine what's on that side. And you can do that, as you can see, with the lower gauges, with the info page options, units, speed warning. It's all here. Even the head-up display, you can make changes to that. However, if you get to a point and you say to yourself, I'm not really happy, how do I start over again? You can go back to reset to defaults right here, and you're good to go. So there's a quick tutorial on how you can make changes to your digital instrument cluster on the 2024 GMC Yukon. Tell me what tutorials you would like to see me feature here on the Vehicle Visionary YouTube channel, and I will make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch, guys. I'll see you in the next video.